Record.
Unified die, we cry.
It's recording.
Power, black fists in the sky. Black fists in the sky. Unify or die. It's Coach G right here, man. We doing it the way we do it all the time. Ace time, hold it down, man. So what we doing right here, what we doing? Group economics, man. Group economics, apotheosis fitness. We got the urban garden right here. We got the urban garden right here, people. So we planting our own food.
Hold on. Let me let's get it from the sunlight view.
Right, we planting our own food.
Panoramic view.
We making our own commerce. We're making our own economics. We're breaking our own banks. We're making our own distribution by planting our own food in our own backyards. Let's monopolize. Let's monopolize on the properties that we have. Let's build gardens in every open space that we have, that we occupy, so we can have food for the next generation and the next generation after that. And also, let's do what we're about to do right now, and let's get fit, and let's prepare each other to stand firm in the midst of any conflict, in the midst of any war, together, because together we are always better. All right, we see this yellow.
Straight like that.
You see this, yes, you see this yellow right here, this circle, this is the start circle. And the start circle is gonna bring us to the point of the chair back there. As y'all can see, the chair right there, we're gonna go all the way down this line and come back and we're gonna jump over the chair. Yeah, Coach G at 33 is gonna jump over the chair and give y'all some
This nigga is an animal.
Something exciting to see, man.
God,
I'm
right
gonna step
there.
and get the ball, because you know we want to keep it live. The NBA championship just came up. LeBron just won his 4th ring. Everybody says he the GOAT. I'm the GOAT. 33, man, being a prisoner.
Fuck
Going
Bron.
all the way to the top.
You heard that?
5, 4, 3, 2,
Go.
1, let's go.
You good? You good? You good?
Oh, you got it. And that's how you do it, no matter what happens. You got to
Raw and edit.
It all go.
No matter what. He ain't got Nike shoes on just to, you know what I'm saying? Fuck they corporation. They do got a message, just do it. Nigga. You got a sprained ankle, do it.